Well, I'm back home, and I'm missing India already. It was amazing to meet Sarah at the airport and just wrap her in my arms. I've missed her so much, and the kids all piling onto me this morning when they found out I was home. That was precious. And I've missed the blue sky. You know, our clean air is something I really appreciate more than I did before I left. But there's a bunch of things that I'm missing from India, some of which is surprising. A bunch of things that I didn't miss while I was in India. For example, I didn't miss toilet paper, not at all. I'm really missing my Indian toilet and my marble bathroom. You know, this bathroom is nice, but I really miss my marble bathroom. Now that I'm back, I'm still going to produce videos on India. I'll also be doing some longer videos which are better edited. But I've got so much work to do for what looks like some agricultural projects which are going to go ahead in India. Not sure when, but they're looking good. And I've also got all the things here that I've got to get done, especially if I'm going back to India. But if I'm going to keep doing YouTube, we've got to have some change. We've got to have some changes. At the moment, the Patreon page is really set up for friends and family who support no matter what. And I'm in the process of changing that so it will give more specific value to the people who are supporting me because of my content and because of what I'm giving to them, rather than because of the relationship we have. So I'd really appreciate your comments on how I can better do that, the kind of things that you would like to see, the kind of things that you would feel contributing $1 a month to my Patreon account would be a bargain rather than an expense or a cost. So yeah, that's a long ramble. Stay tuned for the videos. Please tell me what you want to see. Like, share, and if you value my content, first of all, please let me know what I can do so that you would value it more, and contribute to the Patreon page, because if you want to, and if you don't want to, don't, because really, and if it's really about, you know, it's really about giving people what they're willing to pay for, and if I'm not able to do that, then that's fine.